So here we have the Ford Fiesta ST line on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And above that, the trip computer section, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 2,977. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed in the middle. You can change information that's displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. So we have a trip computer, for example, your settings, phone, audio and navigation menus, and then back around to the beginning again. The buttons I was using to do that are just here. We have phone and stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side along with cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So this is where you connect your phone. Hit add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to audio in this car, we have a few choices, or a few ways to listen to our music. We have AM, FM and DAB radio. We have Bluetooth audio as well, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as making and receiving phone calls. That is, of course, after you've paired the phone. We've also got two separate USB inputs, so if you plug devices into those, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. And, as I'm sure you've already noticed, this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how this system works on our website and on our YouTube channel. Working our way down with the main volume for the stereo just there, we then have the air conditioning for the car. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature. You can turn the air conditioning off, back on again. Once you've set the temperature, which will show temporarily up on this dial as you adjust it, you can either leave it with the air conditioning on a manual mode or hit auto and the climate control will take effect. The car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperature you've asked for. To override that, make any manual adjustment of your own. You'll see auto has now gone off. You can put it back on your own settings here as well. With a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. Beneath that, a 12-volt charging socket and USB input, the 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons just here. This is the stop and start, so this car is able to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when this light shows. You can also turn off the traction control, and this final button will change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the car into normal, eco, and sport modes. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.